Acupuncture operates on an energetic level with the body, and we have subtle pathways of electricity in our body that move in accordance with nervous system, with organ systems, with our entire physiology. And this has been mapped out by ancient philosophers and ancient healers, and actually corresponds to reality going on in our body. So by manipulating this energy field, we can actually affect its corresponding physical counterpart and help the body to heal. My view of acupuncture is that it operates very much on an energetic level and is therefore very good for problems that involve the smooth process of energy flow in the body. Things like anxiety, things like pain, inflammation, anywhere where they're stuck. It's really something that operates on more of the nervous system energetic level and is best applied to those problems.